Hello, Hot Budget users. Today we're going to learn how to import your data to a new file. Open your original file in a compatible version of Excel and disable macros. Open your new file in the same version of Excel and enable macros. In your new file, click on the Tools button located on the Cost Summary page toolbar. Then select Import. Select a source file. Check off the data you would like to transfer, and then click Import. Our import is complete. Compare the data in both files to make sure they match. As you can see, some project information did not transfer. Let's fill those in. Go to the Petty Cash Log. The Advances section did not transfer. Go to your new file and click on the Advances button at the top of the Petty Cash Log. Fill in the appropriate information. To import images such as logos, click on the Customize button on the Cost Summary page toolbar. Select Import Image and choose the image you'd like to use. Resize your image as needed. Once you're done customizing your file, click on the Customize button once more to go back to budgeting mode. If you have additional questions or you need help importing your data, please email support@hotbudget.com for assistance. Thanks for watching.